Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study for a client that is looking for founders and angels. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, and more. I also help clients with pitch decks and pitch deck reviews. If you're looking to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of VIP founders and angel investors I recently created for a USA-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking to raise $100,000 in the tech sector, and just to keep it very generic, I'm not going to expand what their actual product is. They're based in the USA, but they are looking globally, and they wanted a very large database of angel investors and founders or VIP investors. They wanted a target range of around 5,000, but they're willing to take a look at more. And they were not looking for anything too deep as far as editing. They just wanted a very broad sample of potential targets. So how do I find these contacts? My master database has 400,000 contacts, and this has been an increase from the 250,000 by a large amount of fresh investors, and that's as of August 2023. This includes venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, plus a very, very large database of high net worth and ultra high net worth investors, and that is for corporate and institutional clients only. So what did the final database include? So I was able to find this client 20,000 contacts, and that one of the key criteria is it had to have emails. So this database has all 20,000 emails. We did not include LinkedIn addresses, and websites also were not applicable for this particular database. It does include a lot of the key contacts with the titles though, and of course their email addresses. So what type of contacts like to market to an angel or founders database? It could be many. In this case, it is someone looking to raise funds, and it could be early stage startups seeking initial or growth funding. It could be venture capital firms exploring co-investments and partnership opportunities, syndicate groups and crowdfunding platforms expanding their investor database, service providers such as legal and accounting firms specializing in startups, event organizers, business schools, and tech providers offering specialized solutions tailored for startups. So there's a lot of reasons why somebody may want a large database of angel and founders. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here I have 252,000 contacts, and again that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital, and it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case, and then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database section, and this is the database that I have selected for this client, and it actually comes in two parts. One is founders and angels, and the other part is VIP 2024, which is basically just a list that I'm working on and going to be concentrating most of 2024 on. So the first database has 8,700 emails, and you're going to have contact names. And again, this client is not looking for me to do any editing at all. They just wanted the bulk list. So it includes global contacts, different types, emails, of course, sectors, firm names. All this sort of stuff is items that they want just kept in the database. So again, there's no filtering out from my side. You can see there's a lot of angels, senior people at family offices, but most of these are individual angel investors, but there's a fair bit of detail on them. If I go to the second list, the VIP list, it's very much the same, but this one has 13,000 contacts. Again, has their full names, their emails, what company they worked at, and city, of course, and again, titles. And you can see these are all senior people, managing partners, co-founders. So this is a database of mainly VIP clients and founders that they want to approach for funding for their own company. And in the past, angel investors and previous founders are great targets. In most cases, a founder of a company is almost always going to be an angel investor as well. So you can see there's a lot of founders, CEOs, CFOs, directors, all senior people, and all that we would categorize as VIPs. So again, that's how I come up with the 20,000 contacts for the client in the USA that's looking to raise $100,000. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, private equity, family offices, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors with over 400,000 verified global contacts. And be sure to check out my full database of family investment offices, the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors. This is the largest database of family investment offices that you're able to access. There's over 10,000 contacts. Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching this video.